Namaste, welcome to Savis Fashion Studio. I'm Savita. In this video, let's see how to use this gravity feed steam iron. You can buy this on our website savisfashionstudio.com. But the main intention to make this video is to show you some of the equipments needed for a professional sewing. Hundreds of our students have started their own sewing business, and many times I get asked what are the basic equipments needed for professional sewing, and I would definitely say one of them is a good steam iron. Now when you buy this is what you get. You get this user manual. Please go through this because there are some safety instructions, and you get this iron and a silicone iron plate. Now this iron needs to be always kept in this way, that is horizontal. It should never be kept in this way, that's vertical. Even when it is hot, you need to keep this on this iron plate. There are different temperature settings from 1 to 5, 5 being the maximum, and it is used for very heavy fabrics. 4 can be used for cottons, and 1 to 3 are used for delicate fabrics. Now this is the steam switch. That is when you want to use the steam while ironing. There is an on-off button here. You get this water bottle. You need to fill this with clean drinking water, and the minimum level is mentioned here. So the water level has to be minimum up to this level, and max it can be filled till here. Now this water bottle has to be hung at least 2 meters above the ironing surface, and there is this water bottle handle which needs to be put in here, and this helps in hanging it anywhere. You can put to a hook above, or you can tie it above so that it's above the ironing surface. And this is the silicone hose which connects the water bottle to the iron. The assembly is very simple. Let's see how to connect it. Now take one of the ends of the silicone hose and put it in here. Insert completely. And the other end goes to the iron. Now remove this and insert the other end here. To start using, fill this water bottle with clean drinking water and hang it somewhere above, and then switch on the power, and then switch on this switch and keep the temperature at 4. There is an arrow mark here. Keep 4 pointed to that arrow mark. Wait for some time, at least 10 minutes to get the iron ready. Just press this to activate the steam iron. And as you iron, you don't need to keep this pressed. Just press once or twice and then steam iron, and whenever needed, only then press this. This is how you use the steam iron. And also, you get this optional Teflon shoe which protects the iron surface. So you can buy this and you can use this. So if something gets stuck, it won't get stuck to the iron. It will be here. You can just remove this plate and clean it. So this is how you put it. And when you need to clean this, just remove this plate from the iron. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in the next class. Until then, happy sewing.